Welcome back to the channel. Today we are kayak camping in the Rocky Mountains. It was off to a difficult start with all the bugs on the shore.
We couldn't film at the beginning because there was literally a swarm of mosquitoes.
But now out in the middle of the lake, it's a lot more calm.
Though it does not bode well for our camping conditions tonight.
But our plan is to kayak up this first lake, then hopefully kayak between the two lakes up the river that connects the two, and then camp along one of the bluest lakes in the entire state.
I mean, the difficult part's coming up. We gotta kayak upstream.
Kayak upriver between the two lakes, and I brought my fishing rod, so for dinner, hopefully we can get a trout catch and cook with some pasta as a side.
Yeah, if not, there's a lot of pasta, so he'll be fed.
Made it to the mouth of the river that separates the two lakes. You can see the dramatically different color coming off of that river. And now it's time to put our arm strength to the test and try to paddle upstream.
Now it's time to drag kayak.
We've decided that paddling upstream is basically impossible.
Oh, are you gonna want a piece of rope? I was gonna drag mine in the water.
Yeah, I'll take a piece of rope. So we're gonna walk along the edge with some rope and drag our kayaks. We'll be walking our kayaks like a dog.
Be careful, you're dragging it on the log. Alright. What did you discover?
I discovered that
Are we gonna make it?
we're gonna drag it through here, then we're gonna drag it over this little bank, and it's smooth sailing for the next 10 feet. Well, after, how long do you think that was?
Hour?
An hour of dragging our kayaks along the shore and around every bog and down every log. I finally think it's calm enough to get back in it. So we're giving it a shot. That was a brutal paddle. We made it though. Made it to the second lake, where there's a nice little place to camp, so we're gonna check it out and eat lunch.
I'm so excited to go back down that river.
Oh, we're gonna go flying back down that. It'll be like a water slide. The art of the graceful dismount. That's pretty good.
So we made it, we found a spot. We made it, well we didn't make it, we made it up the river.
It's a whole nother lake, but we don't think
gonna-
that there's much camping down there, so we're staying here.
Yeah, we're gonna take a break, eat some food, set up camp, maybe go swimming,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna kayak the rest of this lake and go to the other area.
And watch maybe sunset or some pretty colors down
Yeah.
there. Sounds like a plan. Found a nice shady spot. We always choose shade over view, because what are you gonna see from your tent anyway? Remember when tents used to like shimmy it through a tube?
Yeah.
That was a stupid idea. This is way better. Got some fresh filtered water.
Got a chair.
And we've got our lunch sandwiches, which I'm excited about.
And I brought chips.
We didn't bring any chips, did we?
Yeah, they're right next to me.
Awesome.
I told you I brought chips.
Adding a little
And I
crunch.
brought a tomato too.
Oh, nice.
Are you gonna put mayo on?
Yeah. We've got our new classic, which is also the old classic for everybody else, sandwiches.
It's just such a easy.
We never did this.
No.
It's such a no-brainer.
How is it?
Very good. Going swimming?
I want to get clean. Then I want to take a nap. Oh my god. All right. He says he's gonna go swim a lap. We will see. Who's on a mission? Where's the lap? Is that your lap?
I did my lap.
I mean, honestly, if it's a really pretty sunset or sunrise or something, I'd swim.
Now that the sun's a little lower, thinking of paddling out to this little bank here and hopefully catching me some dinner. I had no bites earlier, and just right here. Rosa just woke up from her nap. I'm gonna try it for maybe just a few minutes to try to catch a trout. We'll see if I have any luck. Cast a few times, but got nothing, no bites. So I'm gonna head back to our camp, and then Rosa and I are gonna try to kayak across this lake down to the very blue stream coming off the glacier at the base of the mountain. We made it out to the source of the lakes. It's very calm.
Very smooth.
It's beautiful. Like the current's pulling me down.
Very, very slowly though.
I'm gonna catch up.
Bug bit me.
Well, we went to go explore that little pretty river area, but we got so swarmed by mosquitoes.
It's not worth it.
Intolerable. But it was very beautiful.
It was fun kayaking back.
Oh yeah, you get the power of the stream, so it just feels like you're Superman
Flying.
kayaking. Yeah, you're just going full speed.
Which
But-
is a, good omen for tomorrow. Going
Yeah,
down that river.
that'll be exciting. But now we're heading back to camp, and I'll give it one last shot trying to catch a fish. And if not, then it's spaghetti for dinner.
It's
That's
a
the
lot
plan.
of spaghetti.
A lot of
Whole
spaghetti.
box of spaghetti.
An entire box. I guess it's not spaghetti, it's the
It's rotini.
rotini or whatever. Yeah, see you back at camp.
You're in my way.
The conditions down by the bank are just unbearable.
Yeah, I know.
Can't last more than a couple seconds before being like engulfed in a cloud of mosquitoes.
That's why I stayed up here.
I mean, the trout wouldn't even bite a worm. So
But I collected a bunch of firewood.
So it's time for plan B.
We're gonna have a fire and we're gonna make pasta and tomatoes, basil, cheese, butter. It's not trout, but you know, he'll survive, I guess.
That's all it takes. Drop another dump on there. It's pretty bright.
All my hard work.
Filtering all that water. We'd be fine without it, but it's just a nice precaution.
Yeah. I poured the whole box. It's beautiful. I think it's almost done.
Yeah? Looks like it. How's it taste?
Pasta. You know how it's gonna taste better? You like butter and cheese.
You got it pretty low there.
Yeah. I'll give you your bowl.
Some healthy servings here.
You can always have seconds.
Yeah, it's like a quarter of the.
For you, and we'll sprinkle some cheese on that. You want cheese, right?
Yeah. Now we dig in. Oh,
What's the verdict?
so good. I mean, anything would be so good right now.
Uh-huh.
Kind of tastes like pizza with the mozzarella.
What's your verdict on the tomatoes and the pasta?
Tastes good. I almost just want to drink it. Yeah, it's cooling down quick, so
How's your sleeping pad?
my sleeping pad still doesn't work as expected, but
That just makes me happy to hear it.
at least I have a warm sleeping bag, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. Bye.
Good night. It's 9:40 or something.
I've been up since 8.
I slept for a long time.
The issue with tents is you can't really leave without making a lot of noise and waking the other person up. So I didn't.
Well, tell me when you're ready.
Why does there have to be so much Velcro on the top?
You good?
I'm getting better.
Yeah, you are.
Everest has discovered a new form for kayaking, and it's don't put your feet in the kayak
Yeah, just leave them out on top.
and lounge.
Well, we're all loaded up. Time to kayak down the river.
And by kayak down the river, you mean float down the river.
Yeah, I mean, embrace the rapids. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
You're going first.
Yeah, I am. Going under the bridge.
What?
You're so cute. We're almost all the way across this lake. It's been very windy and wavy, but finally almost done. We made it.
Well, we didn't make it yet.
Okay, we're like 60 feet away from
We
the
still
shore.
gotta deflate the kayaks, which in itself is an adventure.
I am hoping that the bugs are not as bad as they were before, because or else this is going to be a disaster. The mosquitoes are so bad on this shore that I am trying to cover myself as much as possible to be able to unpack these guys and bring them on the car. Well, we managed to escape that miserable bug infestation on the shores of the lake.
It was awful.
I mean, yeah, you saw me. I had my mask on my face. I had my hood zipped all the way up, my hands in winter gloves. I mean, unreal.
And the people that pulled up beside us, they're gonna go have a nice picnic down by, like, they're like, we're from around here. I'm like, I don't care where you're from.
They took the whole can of DEET and they just covered themselves. And I'm like, that's just disgusting.
Also, your food now is gonna taste like it because it's all over your hands.
But we escaped.
We made it across a very choppy lake.
And now we're in the comfort of the car.
There's nothing worse than kayaking and you see your end destination and it never looks like you're getting any closer.
We
You're just
are, but
looking
it's
at it. Well, I had to start like picking landmarks along the side and visualizing it until I was like, okay, we're
Which doesn't even help because it makes it seem like you're going even slower now.
Yeah, I know, it's awful.
But yeah, okay, after our miserable experience, which most of the camping trip was wonderful. It was really just the end.
It was so nice last night. The sunset
beautiful.
was pretty. Clear, perfect lake to kayak on. You didn't catch a fish, but besides that,
yeah, it was too bad. But more fishing to come here in Wyoming.
More fishing to come, more kayaking to come. We're gonna not lose our bug spray next time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to follow more of our adventures, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please smash that like button.
Oh my god. Comment, do all that.
Yeah, if you have any suggestions, please comment. We get back to every single one.
If you have a best brand of bug spray you use, let us know.
Yeah, that would be ideal. I mean, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.